Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, OPPO Find N2 Flip, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, first theme is really beautiful Niagara Launcher. So just open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Find it and install. And click open. Click agree. Choose your favorite applications. Click OK. And great, as you can see here we have a really beautiful and light interface. Really beautiful and light. As you can see here we have only our favorite apps, and here we have our My Menu. Using alphabetical line you can find any application by one click. So to find any app, just tap your finger on this line and drag it to the desired place. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just drag it to P and find Play Store. Great! So I really love this launcher. On the second place in my tab is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Click open, get started. I agree, confirm, continue, while using allow. Use suggested or current wallpapers, and here you can pay for premium features, but you can use this launcher completely for free. I will not set this launcher as default right now. So as you can see here we have really beautiful interface with minimalistic icons and really soft design, and here we have really handy feature to app grouping. So here we have settings, utilities, media, games, internet and connections. So I really like this launcher, and here you can find any file or contact or app using smart search, or if you want to find applications you can use search in apps menu and alphabetical tab. So great. And on the first place is Microsoft Launcher. So just install this launcher. Click open, get started, continue. Here you can sign into the Microsoft account. In this way you can create a pair with your Windows device and with your Android device. I will skip it right now, but you can use it, it's very useful. Here choose your favorite applications, click OK, let's go. So great, here we have the glance panel. In glance panel we can set up our favorite widgets we need. Here you have news, here you have apps menu with alphabetical line too. You can hide any applications in from the My Menu and from the launcher. You can use 2 lines of favorite apps here, and of course you have here Bing AI. Here you have smart search, here you have voice search and picture search. And of course why I love this launcher, it's because this launcher supports gestures. So for example you can set up opening calculator using swipe with 2 fingers from down to up, and in this way calculator will open. So I really love this feature. So we can use calculator just or any other application you will set up using just simple gest. So I show you. Okay. So let's try it again. Okay, it's working. So great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.